Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to add Meta AI to Messenger. First thing to do is to launch the Messenger app on your iOS or Android device. Make sure you're logged in with your Facebook account. Now start a conversation. Tap on an exit or existing chat or start a new conversation with a friend. Type @ in the message box. An overflow menu will appear. Just select Meta AI from the list. Then type your question. For example, give me an icebreaker for a new friend. Meta AI will respond directly in the chat. Everyone in the chat will see the message and response. To chat with Meta AI directly, tap the Meta icon in the search bar at the top of Messenger. Choose a suggested prompt or enter your own custom message to start chatting. All your chats with Meta AI are saved under your Facebook account. You can go back and review them anytime by opening the conversation. For example, ask for fun icebreakers, get quick answers to random questions, ask for ideas, jokes or tips, or use it like your own AI assistant right inside Messenger. If you want me to turn this more info about Meta AI, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.